Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got a Battletron Gaming optical mouse for gaming. Come and have a look. We're gonna do an unboxing. It looks like lovely box. Mouse is absolutely looks amazing for me, and that's important. That's the important stuff. That's why, because it's a gaming, because it's a LED color changing. Yeah, okay, no, I'm joking. Let's go do it. Okay, Battletron Gaming optical mouse for gaming. Why for gaming? I don't know. Because probably it's got a adjustable weight or DPI speed and change briefing color changing. Brilliant. Looks interesting. Box is nice. Have a look on the box. What is right on the back? It's got a 1.5 meter high grade USB Cooper wire. It's got a detachable magnetic cover, removable weights for 6 grams coins, 85 case, 4 speed DPI, it's 10, 1060, 600, 3200 and 6400. Okay, and LED color changing. That's important, that's the important stuff. That's why, because it's a gaming, because it's a LED color changing. Yeah, okay, no, I'm joking. Okay, let's go have a look on the box and unbox this lovely case. My scalpel is short now, but it's alright for this. Okay, just cut it. Come on. By the way, this mouse cost only €7. Which I think is good price. Okay, it's stick. I'll try open this one. It's the same. Okay, that's interesting. Why you do like this? I don't know. Does mean I cannot save the box. I need a cut here. Maybe the proof not open inside the shop. Okay. Oh. Box is done. You got a manual here, instruction manual. As you can see, the 1, 2, 3. Left click to right click, mouse wheel, forward key, back key, DPI plus minus, and double key. Okay, there's also double key. That's interesting. Okay, minus. And yeah, the manual. Who cares about the manual for the mouse? Okay, how it looks. The two side panels and mouse. Oh, look at that, steel or aluminum. Nice. It's really nice. I like it. Yeah, it's feel good. This is how it's okay, it's magnetic, look. Okay, it looks nice, but where is this weight? On the cover here, I finally find it. How to open. Look at that. Should be just like this. Yeah, here we go. We have it. And you gotta wait here. Come on. Come on, let's go out. Let's go out. Someone need to make this more easy. There you go. Okay, we got 4 coins to change the weight of this mouse. Yeah, that's not bad, but to be true, for me it's alright if it's all in. Let me just put it in, put it back. Oh, it's magnetic as well. Another magnetic side. And it's all done. That's interesting. Cable is also nice quality. Let's go try this mouse. This is my old mouse, which will be just unplugged. This is my old mouse. I use over 6 years. Let's compare. Yeah, it's actually a lovely mouse, but it start have a problem with the sensor. It's made in China. This one is cost me 50p on the eBay 6 years ago, included the postage. Yeah, it's amazing. This one cost me 7 euro, 6.99 in shop name Action, and I think, yeah, I think it's feel alright, feel good, click nice. Yeah, it's amazing. Come on, let's go plug in to see how it's light up. Okay, mouse is on. It's changing the colors even on the wheel. You can see that. Yeah, I'm not sure you can set up the color for color you want, but it really doesn't matter. It's not important, but yeah. Feel okay. Now you can have a look on my monitors, and the mouse is actually, yeah, it's working. Plug in, push the button, double click. It's actually, I need a less sensitive mouse. Then go to minus, a bit more. Yeah. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah. Can I recommend this mouse? Yeah, I can recommend. For me it's right, okay, I don't need to change it. It's really, really nice. Feel okay as well. Got a side button over here, and double button is here on the side. It's got a free button. That looks fine. Feel right. I like the metal steel on the back, and yeah, hopefully you like it. It's really, really nice mouse. Click like and subscribe.